Hey everyone, today I wanted to film a cocoa bar setup video with you guys. So this is kind of like an overview. Sorry if you hear my dishwasher, I just didn't want to have to wait. Alright, so the first thing we have over here is this white tray. It is from Target. The garland underneath is from Dollar Tree. The doilies on top are from Dollar Tree. The gingerbread man is also from Dollar Tree, and so are the candy canes. The sugar and cream containers are Rae Dunn. I probably got those at Home Goods. That's where I usually find most of my Rae Dunn. And then back there is a little Christmas tree from Target Dollar Spot. They had some really cute trees this year. So, and then this right here is my Hamilton Beach Flex Brew coffee machine. It makes single cup and pot. I love mine. My mom has one as well, but whichever plant made hers, there's like a defect in it. So I'm not sure which one it is, but I'm sure you could look it up. But I love mine. I've had it for over 5 years now, and I use it every day. The next stuff I have over here is these candy cane. Let me see if I can get a better picture. Candy cane, iced tea. Not iced tea. Candy cane tea bags. Got those at Aldi. Back there is my coffee container and the Smirnoff, the peppermint twist. It's really good. I actually put it in my coffee during Christmas season if I want that at night. And then this little tray over here, the black tray, it's from Target as well. They were in the party section. This little red plate, it's from Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree. Target, Dollar Spot, and Home Goods. So these are super cute. They are holographic paper straws. I thought the holographic would go really nice. That way I can use it, for a few different setups. And then moving on to the containers. This container is from Dollar Tree. The rub-off decals are from Dollar Tree as well, and so are the pom-poms over here at the bottom. I figured I could put in like these kind of like instant packs. I have a lot of them from Walmart as well that are like specialty flavored, coffees or cocos and stuff like that. I thought that would be nice. This right here is from Dollar Tree. Don't get your tinsel entangled. These spoons, they're individually wrapped. They were from the Dollar Tree. They came in a 6-pack. I did a Target haul that they were, a Dollar Tree haul that they were in. But they do apparently taste like cough syrup. That is what Bargain Bethany said. So I'm going to give it a try, but they're cute just for decoration. The next container is also from Target, and it has in it some white chocolate pretzels with peppermint chunks that I got them from Aldi. This container over here, Dollar Tree. I put a decal. I spelled out cocoa. Thought that was really cute. And then I also have these white chocolate and dark chocolate sauces. These are my favorite. I actually get them at Home Goods. They have them a lot. On top of your whipped cream for your coffees or cocos or anything. Okay. And if you guys noticed in the back of my first video, the background, I have this garland here. It was from Dollar Spot at Target. It was $3. The back of those cards are actually recipe cards, but I put like a bucket list of what we want to do. And then I figured once we do them, I'll replace them with a video of us doing them. I thought it would be really cute. So the first one over there is Picture with Santa, See a Christmas Parade, Bake Cookies, Gingerbread House, Christmas Crafts, Donate Toys, Friends Christmas Party, Family Christmas Party, Holiday Movie Marathon, and a Holiday Treats. So I thought that would be cute. It's also, putting up memories, and I feel like this is something we could do every year. I don't know if I would put it, at my cocoa bar every year, but I think it would be really nice, especially once we start switching those cards out for photos of us as a family doing everything. It'll be like super nice, and we can enjoy it all season long. And peppermints, I feel like aren't just Christmas, so I can take a few of the specific like Christmas I guess, away once, probably really just ho ho ho, my little mug over there, and maybe Jack, and maybe just turn it, you know, kind of more into a winter bar, which I feel like is super easy for me to change this over, and I don't have to do too much to it. But yeah, that is an overall of my little cocoa bar. I do have another section in my dining room of where I do like a tiered tray with some cute stuff, but that is not finished yet, but that will be in probably, this is day 2, so I think day 4's, which is a tour of my Christmas decorations downstairs. So that'll be really fun. Alright, so comment below with any of your videos, if you've done a video on how you did your cocoa bar, or any other YouTubers that you really liked theirs, because I would love to see it. Alright, so have a great rest of your holiday, and talk to you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas. Bye.